Hello everyone. In this video, we will go over 5 common uses of get and 1 informal use so you sound more like a native speaker. Let's get started. The first meaning of get is to obtain or receive something. So if you receive something, you get something. The form get plus direct object. I got a message from my boss. She got a present for her birthday.
Got a present from the boss for New Year's Eve.
I got mail.
What is the best gift you have ever gotten? The second use of get is to buy something. So if you buy something, you get something. I need to get some milk from the store. I got her flowers for her birthday.
I got you something for Christmas, and I don't want to wait.
Where do you usually get your groceries? The third meaning of get is to arrive. So when you arrive there, you get there. What time did you get here? I will get there in 10 minutes.
I got here last night.
Do you usually get to work on time? The fourth meaning, get, can also mean become. This refers to changes, okay? And then the form, get plus adjective. It's getting dark. It's getting late. One more example, it's getting cold.
And now it's getting stronger.
So do you get nervous when speaking English? I don't get it. Do you get it? So get can also mean to understand. So if you understand it, you get it. I got the joke. I don't get calculus.
Okay, I get it now.
What is something you don't get? Now, have you ever heard gotta? Gotta is an informal way to say have to or need to. I gotta go now. I have to go now. You gotta study. You have to study.
So, we gotta do it right.
What is something you gotta do today? Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If you liked it, please like and subscribe, and then see you in the next video.